Hey guys, quick video today. Got the Proline body mounts. I'm gonna try to get them on my Traxxas Slash. A while back I bought this Ford Raptor F-150 body, but on the Traxxas 4x4 the body doesn't sit right, so I'm gonna try the adjustable mounts, and hopefully this will make the Raptor body fit on better. If I ever want to go back to the, I don't know, trophy truck body, I can always adjust the posts to fit this body. A lot of the issue is in the front. The original body post, the front just sits a little too low. The wheels, they're going to just constantly rub, so I need to lift the front up a little bit. And the stock posts are just not adjustable. Okay, so let's see what's in here. Alright, so in the pack you get the hardware. There's some O-rings, some screws, and the caps that will screw on for the body mounts. And then the parts tree obviously has the adjustable mount. Now I think I got ripped off. I actually do not have the screws that should screw on top of the posts. Basically there's a screw that screws in here, and that's what your cap screws onto, and they did not come in the pack. Luckily I saved a bunch of parts, so I'm going to dig through and see what I can find. Hopefully I can find some screws that'll work. So luckily I did have what I needed. I can go ahead and get this install started. So I'm going to just start by taking off the original body posts. Alright, so the body mounts are off. I did take off the Proline body mounts from the parts tree, cleaned them up with an X-Acto knife, and now I'm ready to start putting this stuff on. So real simple, 2 screws, just screws the new mount on. And same thing for the rear. And I just got to get the adjustable posts in. I'm not really sure why, but these back posts are really long. So I think what I'm going to do is just cut them in half. Alright, so they're cut down a lot better. And once you find the spot that you need your posts, you can just go ahead and put the screw in. You're going to do this for all 4. Alright, so the body posts are on. Now what I'm going to do is get these screws into the top of the post. So that's all done. I'm going to go ahead and get these little rubber washers. Just slide them over top of the screws and press them all the way down to the bottom. Alright, and that's pretty much all there is to it. Gonna go ahead and get this body on. Alright, I think it looks pretty good. I was able to get the front up a little bit, give myself some wheel well clearance. This way that front tire doesn't rub against the body. Last thing I gotta do is just go ahead and screw on these little caps. So that's about it. I can finally use my Raptor body. Kind of a bummer I didn't get the necessary hardware to complete the install, but luckily I had some stuff on hand. But anyway, if you liked what you saw, please click the like button. If you're not subscribed, please consider subscribing. And have a great day. I'll see y'all soon.